If you've got a problem with your burglar alarm system, then it's more than likely to be one of these common system faults: old alarm battery, cable damage, faulty sensors, alarm panel fault. Faulty old battery. An old battery can cause a myriad of problems with your alarm system. It is recommended that batteries and alarm panels are changed every 4 to 5 years. To fix a faulty battery, all you need to do is to replace it with a new one. Cable damage. If you have a wired alarm, then damaged cables will result in a zone always being open or tamper fault on your alarm system. To fix a damaged cable, you need to replace it or patch the cable. Faulty sensors or sensor lids. If you have a faulty sensor, then you need to either replace the sensor entirely or check to see if there's a specific fault to do with the termination or wiring of the sensor, or even something as simple as a loose sensor lid. Faulty alarm panel or PCB. If there's a fault with your alarm panel, it may be simply just a single faulty zone, or it might be that the whole alarm panel is starting to develop faults and needs replacing. Please note, it is common for old alarm systems to develop faults that require the alarm to be 100% replaced. If you want a professional engineer to fix your alarm system, get in touch with the Smart Security team.